Canadian artist based in Guelph, Ontario. Welcome to my studio. I had work recently accepted into the Fiberworks show at Idea Exchange in Cambridge, and it's part of a body of work that includes these pieces. I won't show you the piece in the show. The t-shirt, they're all made out of handmade Japanese tissue and through printmaking and hand stitching. And the t-shirt's called Black T-shirt, You Were Always There. So I'm a printmaker primarily, and for about 25 years I've used Japanese tissue or washi to do shinkole, which is printing on the lighter paper and pasting it to a heavier support paper at the same time with the etching press. But over the past few years, I've really come to appreciate the texture of this beautiful paper and wanted to show its strength and durability as well as its fragility. And so hand stitching seemed to be a really nice way to do that for me. And it does remind me of a textile. It is really long fibers. This piece I did in Tromsø, northern Norway, on a residency, or when I just came back, I put it together. But it includes monotype of plants, which I'm really drawn to, and a monotype, and stitching, and a bit of a lithograph here. But the stitching, I was able to pull all the pieces together and to keep the texture of the piece at the same time. So that's just a little bit about how I work. Thanks for coming in.